Hey, that's right, baby. We're back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Bugatti Veyron, 1,001 horsepower, the fastest car in the world versus the Bug Killer, 1,565 wheel horsepower. When I say Bug Killer, I really mean Bug Decimator. We rented a racetrack. It's a gorgeous day. Does life get any better? No, it doesn't. And we're back. Now, I'm excited, but I'm kind of sort of terrified as well. Like, for YouTube, it's all fun and games, but in real life, I actually have to drive the Bug Killer, 1,565 wheel horsepower. I drove this car the other day. It's absolutely ridiculous. Whereas like the Veyron, this is the easiest car in the world to drive. You can do 250 miles an hour, one hand on the steering wheel, drinking a cup of Joe, whereas the Bug Killer, like nothing is, you know what, Luke, you're driving the GTR, I'll drive the Veyron. Because Oscar, I got a dog. Now, full disclosure, I'm not forcing you to drive the GTR. You are accepting the key on camera. It is your responsibility. I would let you drive the Veyron, but my insurance agent, he doesn't trust someone like you. Stop, hit the brakes. This guy is ridiculous. Please stop. Luke drove the GTR last time for the first time, and immediately, day one, minute one, second one, full send to the moon. So, He's driving the GTR, I'm driving the Veyron. I can't believe today is finally happening. We've been talking about this for so long, anticipating it. Hey, save it for the racetrack. No. I tell ya. Yeah, I had the camera pointing at my ugly mug. That thing sounds ridiculous. Absolutely not. No, absolutely not. Don't do it. I know. We can make today much quicker, much easier right now. We're not gonna do it. Put it in automatic, okay? Yeah, sure he does. Every single light, the universe is tempting us. We can't, no, absolutely not. No, I know. Be patient, guys, be patient. That GTR sounds so good, though. No, I mean, it's just a little bit. There's still just something about this Bugatti that is so incredibly special, but I think we need to swap cars. So, that's my ride in 3, 2, 1. Every time I see the Veyron on the road, it looks so crazy, especially with the wing up. Come on, Luke, send it. Oh, yes. That sounds crazy. There's no, like, I can't believe this is how is this possible? Out of absolute nowhere. Oh, really? Wow, the massive debut. What? Oh, no. What? No way. Oh, my gosh. The gang is back together. Those two, quite the pair. I just realized this is the first time the squad has been back from Africa, and since we've gotten back, we've added a lot more power. 1,500, 1,000 wheel. Hey, don't come at me. 1,000 wheel, okay. 1,000 crank, 1,000 wheel. But it's gonna be a fun day today. We're gonna be safe, we're gonna be responsible, and we're gonna be invited back every single time. I wasn't expecting this. What a privilege, what an honor. Wow. He doesn't make an appearance in every single video, but when he does, views go up. Oh my, he's back, baby. We think we're all fancy schmancy with our big horsepower cars, but only one guy shows up in a 4 GT with the butterfly doors. Ladies and gentlemen, Rich, you back, baby?
I'm back,
The beard. Un massive debut. Okay, yeah, you gotta flex the hair, I see ya. This is so ridiculous right now. We have the entire Utah Motorsports Campus. We have 5 incredible cars. We have the entire track at our disposal. Oh my gosh, that Cadillac sounds so insane. I've seen some beautiful sights on my channel. I'm not talking about the car. I'm talking about the massive debut front and center. Dude, thank you for making this happen. My guy, Mr. 360 CS. We got the 4 GT, the Veyron, the GTR, the C6, and of course the Cadillac. This is so sick. You know, there's 5 of us, but then there's one other guy with us. Oh my gosh. Every single decision Stefan has made his entire life has led to this moment in time, which he's rollerblading on a racetrack. I don't even know how this is possible, but I like it. I like it a lot. Well, boys, we have officially reached the moment in the vlog. Bugatti Veyron versus the Bug Killer. This is 9 months in the making. Mr. Luke Terry, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Luke Terry, round of applause. Say goodbye to your GTR. Say goodbye to your car. Say goodbye to my cameraman as well. Yeah. Ironically enough, though, well, you know the joke. So we have the 2017 Nissan GTR 1,565 wheel horsepower against, of course, the legendary Bugatti Veyron 1,001 horsepower, the world's fastest production car when it came out. Mate, best of luck. We love you. We support you. Thank you. Yeah, be safe. It is almost go time. I have to give a massive shout out to UMC, the Utah Motorsports Campus, for letting us use their incredible racetrack. Now on April 30th at 6 p.m., if you live in the state of Utah, you're gonna wanna be here at UMC because we're gonna be roll racing the Nissan GTR against all the fastest cars in the state of Utah. So if you wanna see the Bug Killer, April 30th, 6 p.m. here at UMC, be here if you wanna see the fastest cars in the state. Here we go. Here we go, the moment we've all been waiting for. You ready? I'm scared too. I'm scared for you more than I'm scared for me. So Luke is running map 3. What was that, 1,200 wheel horsepower? All right, so it's a 40 roll. So we hit the cones, we're gonna be going 40 miles an hour, and then full send, it's roughly a half mile maybe. I gotta get up there, I'm in sport mode. Full 1,000, there's 40, inching, okay, and go! Foot to the floor! Let's go! Come on, bud! No! What? No! Wow! Dude, he's just toying with me! He's going easy on me! That's crazy, that was map 3. There's 9 maps, so 9 maps is 1,500 wheel horsepower. I think I jumped him the line a little bit. That thing's fast though. The Veyron though, this car's no slouch. I think we hit about 135 miles an hour maybe. There's just something about full sending these cars. They are so fast. I mean, 1,000 horsepower is an insane amount of power. I mean, 2 decades ago, that was simply unheard of. 135 miles an hour. I think Luke, obviously that car is kind of sort of scary. We picked it up, what, 2 days ago. You know, map 3 is still 1,200 wheel horsepower. That was crazy. The bug killer, I guess, reigns. I'm gonna have to give this guy Luke a raise. He is turning it up. He's decided he's confident to turn it up to map 6. I'm just here in the Veyron. I'm in the Volkswagen where you literally just mash the gas and get beat. So, such is life though. All right, here we go. Wait for it, and go. Come on, bud. Let's go. Open the no. Come on, Veyron. Dude, that GTR, you can see it has so much power. That's crazy, but you know what's going on? The Veyron is able to put down the power. It's getting better traction than that GTR. That was actually pretty close. Map 6, I don't know what map 6 is. 1,300? I don't know, maybe 1,400, I don't know. How did that feel?
It's faster.
Dude, you were accelerating away from me. We need a longer track.
Power,
oh, really?
Power, so then I was able to boost again.
Right.
I think we go map 9.
Oh, wow, just like that. He's just like that. He's ready for map 9. All right, let's go. Famous last words. I don't know where we're going, but we're going somewhere. This is the 3rd and final run. Luke is on map 9. Like I said, if you guys want to see the bug killer run, April 30th, 6 p.m. here at the Utah Motorsports Campus. Map 9, baby. Be safe, Luke. Be safe. And go. No! Oh my goodness! Did you guys see that thing squat? It just disappeared on me. Oh my goodness! What? Dude, the bug killer. That thing is, and that's so much to go. Like I think the roll race is like maybe half a mile. I'm not even sure. That thing just wants to take off. Wow. Well, the moment has come. We're switching cars. I'm hopping into bug killer. Kingdom come. I don't know. I have a dog. I've said it before. I'll say it again. Oscar is the greatest thing on planet Earth. He's so fluffy. He's so cute. He's so adorable. Is it worth it? Absolutely not. Are we gonna do it? Absolutely.
It's sketchy, but good luck.
It's sketchy, but good luck. Oh yes, the Nissan GTR. I have never driven a car this fast in my entire life. I'm excited, I'm nervous. Nothing's gonna go wrong. Like, we're gonna be totally fine. Nothing's gonna happen. We're just gonna pin it, and we're gonna destroy that Bugatti right there. This is so sick. Don't cheat! Luke's gonna cheat, he's gonna jump me. Don't you do it! You dog, he's gonna jump it. Okay, so we're gonna give the Veyron the hit, just so we can track him down. So we're in 2nd. I want to hit 40 miles an hour. Oh goodness, I'm so excited, I'm so nervous. First time bug killer, foot to the floor. Give him the hit, and there we go. Come on, let's go GTR. Go! Oh my gosh, that thing just picks up. What? Wow, dude, this thing is so fast. Oh my goodness, what? Let's go! Let's go! Obviously, we gave the Veyron the hit on purpose, so it didn't win, but like, oh my goodness, this is unreal. That right there was wild. So obviously I gave the Veyron the hit. He had about a 3-car length, and we basically tracked him down. This thing gets up and goes though. Oh my goodness, so that was with traction control on. I've been told for max power, for max acceleration, you're supposed to turn traction control off because then it cuts the power, but I just like, I'm not that good of a driver. I got to admit it. I want to live. All right, baby, here we go. This is map 6, Nissan GTR. 40 roll against the Veyron. Come on, baby. Come on, GTR. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. All right, and go. Go! Come on, GT! Oh my gosh! What? That's insane! Oh, it keeps cutting power! What? Oh my gosh! Oh, I don't know if you guys can tell. That was insanity! And it boosted up so fast, it cut power, and then reboosted up. That was insane. We need to turn traction control off, and I know that. I just don't want to because I have never in my entire life experienced acceleration like that. That is insane. That is absolutely insane. Dude, what have we created? This thing's a monster. That was unbelievably incredible. I've never experienced power like that in my entire life. When we took off, this thing was like a rocket ship, then it lost traction, it cut power, we bogged down, then it caught traction, we took off again, cut power, lost traction, then we took off again. But don't worry, roll race is April 30th. We're gonna be here in the Bug Killer. I'm gonna turn traction control off. Oh my goodness. Now Steffi, he's got 1,000 horsepower C6. He wants that Veyron. So yeah, Veyron C6 right on now. Okay, here we go. Here we go, dude. That thing is a monster. I'm so nervous for Stefan right now. He can't put any traction down, whereas the Veyron by far and away of all the cars can put traction down the best. All right, want a 40 roll. Remember, Stefan always jumps, and wait for it, and go, go. Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go. This Veyron, 100, oh, that was close. That was way close. The only difference between these two cars, the Veyron has all-wheel drive. It can put down the power immediately. I think the C6, if it had longer, it would have caught us and passed us. This is so much fun. Like, being out here at UMC is so addicting. Veyron, Bug, I just want to drive this car so much more, though. I want to get comfortable. I want to get confident. Obviously, always respect the car, because when you get confident, that's when you know what I'm saying. What a crazy day, though, with the Nissan GTR, the Veyron, the C6 Corvette. Massive shout out to UMC. Like I said, guys, April 30th, 6 p.m. We're gonna be here. Stefan's gonna be here. Luke's gonna be here. The C6 is gonna be here, and the Bug Killer is gonna be here. I'm kind of sort of at a loss for words. The car is everything and so much more. I can't wait to get more comfortable with this car. Luke is an absolute madman. Run number 3, immediately he's map 9. Next time he drives the car, I want traction control off, though. Okay. Stefan's crazy.
No, first of all, give me the key.
Oh,
No. The last thing this world needs is you two idiots with a 1,600 wheel horsepower GTR. Nobody needs that. So
I thought Stefan wanted to drive to show us how it's driven.
Nobody needs that.
I was just gonna compliment this guy. He gets in a C6 Corvette with 1,000 wheel horsepower on cold tires and sends it. This man is crazy. This man is crazy. And today's video is over.